Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for September 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services hanggang August 31. Ayan. So this is the best time na mag-book kayo for a private reading dahil kalahati lang yung babayaran nyo. Ayan. And also please like, share, subscribe. And also, comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Paalala lang, ang reading na to ay general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaari hindi. Just take what resonates. Okay, Libra. Let's see what is the energy for you. For Libra. Monthly energies. Okay. Owl. Uy. Owl is about messages. Maaring meron kang important messages na marireceive ngayong September. Maaring related sa pag-aaral mo. Or important na dokumento na marireceive mo. This is also about clear knowing, clarity. So, maaring kung ano man yung mga bagay na gumugulo sa isip mo, ngayong September, magkakaroon ka na ng kaliwanagan. Kung ano ang dapat mong gawin. Sino ang dapat mong piliin? Yan. Meron ka ng wisdom. You also have Scarab. Scarab is second chances. Meron kang bibigyan ng second chance. Or pwedeng may reunion, pag-aayos. Kung halimbawa sa relationship, meron kang nakaaway or nakasamaan ng loob, pwede ring separation in the past. And now, you realize na, uy, may pagkukulang ka rin pala or kailangan meron ka rin palang ayusin doon na parang na-realize mo na hindi lang siya yung may problema. So, pwedeng magkakausap, mag-aayos, ganyan. Minsan naman kasi hindi naman kailangan magkabalikan or bumalik sa buhay mo yung tao na yon. Ang importante lang is magkaroon kayo ng closure. This is also about rebirth, bagong ikaw, ability to heal. So you are healing from your past experiences. Waterfall or letting go. Libra, meron ka talagang pinapatawad. Oo. Maaring ito yung this can be romantic, romantic connection, pwedeng family member or a friend na nagkaroon kayo ng falling out, nagkaroon kayo ng issue, problema in the past, and then meron ka marireceive na message from this person or ikaw yung magre-reach out sa kanya, so depende na yon sa inyo. And you will realize na, okay, nag-mature na kayo pareho and this time, you need to work on with your differences, yung mga issues ninyo. Maaaring meron kayong palalayain, ile-let go nyo na parang, tapos na yon, charge to experience, ganyan. This is also about forgiving yourself din, no? Oo. And being open to transformation and new opportunities. Let's see your overall energy. Ooh, the Hanged Man. Ayan, oh. Meron kang bagong perspective sa buhay. Nag-iiba na rin yung pananaw mo, yung paniniwala mo, pwedeng may mga belief system ka na nagbabago. You have the Queen of Wands. You want to be free. Gusto mong maging malaya. Mag-explore. You want to be more creative. I also see an energy of someone na business-minded. Na gusto mong maging your own. You want to be your own boss. Ayan. May magbubukas na oportunidad sa'yo. Some of you will be collaborating with others. Merong magme-mentor sa'yo, tutulong sa'yo, mag-share ng knowledge sa'yo. You also have inner child. So, maaring yung ili-let go mo ay yung childhood trauma mo. Kumbaga, as you mature na realize mo na, kaya ko pala pinagdaanan yon is because kailangan kong maging matatag, malakas, ganon. So, you are healing your inner child. First house, this is also about yourself. So, maaaring may mga changes ka rin na gagawin sa sarili mo, physical self mo. I-improve mo ang iyong sarili, the way you carry yourself. You're open to changes. And also, this is your abilities yung kakayanan mo, yung values mo. And even your assets, your finances. Isa rin yan sa magiging focus at priorities mo. Ngayong bakit February? ngayong September. Okay, challenge, judgment. Oh my goodness. Okay, ang challenge mo is yung pag-alis sa isang sitwasyon that is no longer serving you. Minsan kasi nagsistay tayo sa isang sitwasyon kahit na yung parang alanganin na tayo doon dahil may guilt. Halimbawa sa trabaho, gusto mo na umalis, kaya lang naisip mo na kailangan ka ng boss mo. Hindi ka makaalis-alis. But, ipapakita kasi sa'yo rito na may kailangan na magbago. You have to be open to new opportunities. This is the way of the universe of God to protect you. Kasi maaaring hindi na yun aligned para sa'yo. Kasi meron ka ng ibang bibigyan ng focus, ng attention, ng energy mo, na kung saan mas magiging productive ka. Ayan o. Work. Yung iba sa inyo, related to sa trabaho. Yung iba, mga unhealthy habits ninyo, let go nyo na. Kung meron kayong di magandang bisyo. Meron ba magandang bisyo? Or, focusing on your health, sa kalusugan mo. Yun ay mas importante sa'yo. And then, your opportunity is Knight of Pentacles and the Three of Wands. Ayan, opportunity sa'yo magpaunlad, mag-grow, mag-expand, mag-explore. And this is going to bring you stability in your finances, in your career. Mas nagiging practical ka ngayon sa mga decision mo. You are allowing things to happen na alam mong makakabuti para sa'yo. Bringing balance into your life, and you are manifesting the life that you want. You have the opportunity to grow, improve yourself, no? Yung iba, meron kayong idadagdag na kaalaman, abilities that will help you improve your finances. The Sun. Ito yung confidence mo, tiwala mo sa sarili mo. You will uplift yourself to become a better version of yourself. Magkakaroon ka ng self-awareness. And then, your blessing. What is the blessing? Wow, okay. Blessing is, pagdating sa pera, magiging maayos kang mag-handle ng finances mo, ng resources mo. Kung dati parang medyo naging pabaya ka sa pera mo, sa resources mo, ngayon, magsiset ka na ng boundaries. You will also be more patient sa mga projects mo. Yung mga, let's say, nagsisimula ka pa lang sa work or sa business, mas magiging patient ka na alam mo, darating yung tamang panahon na kung saan makikita mo yung resulta ng pinaghirapan mo, yung harvest time. And at the same time, the blessing sa'yo is magkakaroon ka ng determinasyon na ipagpatuloy yung mga pangarap mo. Lalo na pagdating sa career mo, marami kang ma-achieve. You will gain popularity or certain level of fame. Some of you will be inspired by your pets. Oo. Kung meron kayong alagang hayop, kung wala naman, maaring kukuha kayo ng alagang hayop ngayong September. Kasi ano rin yan anong tawag doon? May emotional support. Ayan, ganon. Yeah, self-discovery. Mas magiging curious ka about yourself, about a situation, yung mga gusto mong matuklasan pa sa sarili mo. Mas magiging devoted ka sa craft mo, magiging devoted ka sa mga taong mahal mo. Turn your worry into wonder. Surrender to the experience. What possibilities can you dream into reality. Oh, 'di ba? Ang ganda nito, turn your worry into wonder. Minsan kasi nag-aalala tayo about the future, yung mga unfamiliar things, yung mga bagay na hindi natin pa na-experience. Pero, babaguhin mo na yan. Kasi ngayon, mas excited ka na mag-explore, malaman, matuklasan ng mga ibang bagay na maaring hindi mo aakalain yun pala yung magkukumpleto sa'yo or magbibigay sa'yo ng fulfillment sa buhay. Ayan. So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.